Welcome back to Spy Garage.
In the market for luxury recreational vehicles, the 2027 Renegade RV 45 CBF, a Super C motorhome, is ready to establish a new benchmark. This type, known as super clean and boasting a class-leading layout with 2 full bathrooms, is a painstakingly created masterpiece intended for discerning travelers who require both outstanding style and unwavering functionality. A strong commercial-grade Freightliner Cascadia chassis serves as the foundation for the 2027 Renegade 45 CBF, guaranteeing a strong and steady ride. The exterior demonstrates Renegade's dedication to both aesthetic appeal and quality. Through a multi-stage application procedure, the full body paint with its unique graphic design is applied, producing a deep, glossy finish that is resistant to chipping and fading. The Super C motorhome's streamlined, aerodynamic design lowers wind resistance, improving fuel economy and making travel more peaceful. The car has a huge storage space underneath with side-hinged, fully opening baggage doors that make it simple to get to all of your belongings. All utilities and connections are neatly hidden behind flush-mounted panels, demonstrating the super clean feature of its design. One is immediately struck by the 45 CBF's super clean, spaciousness and sophisticated luxury upon entering. High-end materials, clever design, and a floor plan that makes the most of every square inch are all harmoniously combined in the interior. With opposing slide-outs that form an open floor layout, the living room is large. With its luxurious fabric or optional ultra-leather upholstery, the residential-style furniture creates a cozy and welcoming area for unwinding. With solid surface worktops, a full-sized stainless steel refrigerator, a residential-style induction cooktop, and a convection microwave, the kitchen is a chef's paradise. Handmade from genuine hardwoods, the cabinetry adds a touch of classic beauty and plenty of storage. The 2027 Renegade 45 CBF's 2 complete restrooms are its most distinctive feature. This is a very uncommon and desirable feature for a motorhome of this size and class. Ideally situated mid-coach, the first complete bathroom doubles as a day-use restroom and a handy guest bath. It has a large vanity, a residential-style toilet, and a roomy shower. Only the master bedroom has access to the second full bathroom, which is a separate secluded haven at the back of the coach. This master bathroom offers its owners a quiet and opulent place with 2 sinks, a larger shower, and plenty of storage. Renegade's expertise of family and visitor travel is demonstrated by the 2 complete bathrooms, which provide unmatched luxury and convenience. A variety of cutting-edge technologies are installed in the 45 CBF to ensure a smooth travel experience. With the coach's centralized touchscreen control system, you can control everything from the climate and lighting to the tank levels and slide-outs. Extended off-grid life is made possible with a large lithium-ion battery bank and a strong solar charging system. In addition, the RV has a whisper-quiet generator, a powerful heating and cooling system, and a full entertainment system that includes many smart TVs and a high-fidelity sound system. The 2027 Renegade 45 CBF is a finely crafted mobile home that redefines luxury, size, and utility. It is more than just a motorhome. It is the ideal vehicle for extended trips and family outings since it perfectly combines strength, style, and convenience.